Hi, in this video I will show you how to share a device with the other Xiaomi Home app users. All you need to do is to open the Mi Electric Scooter Pro settings on your Mi Home app. Go to the Share Mi Electric Scooter, and there you can enter an email or Mi account ID of the user which you want to share your Mi Electric Scooter Pro to. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.